Welcome, kids. Today we will see heavy and light topic. It's a math subject. Okay, look here. Subject maths, topic heavy and light. Now, what is heavy and light? These are the opposite words. Okay, how can it opposite? These words shows the weight of any specific thing. ये दो वर्ड किसी चीज के वेट वजन बताते हैं. ओके, अभी देखो. हैवी हैवी वर्ड हैज मोर वेट. हैवी मीन्स स्पेसिफिक थिंग हैज मोर वेट, जिसका वजन ज्यादा है. दिस इज हेवी. दिस थिंग इज हेवी. एंड लाइट मीन्स विच थिंग हैज लेस वेट than the other thing. This is lightweight. Okay, means this thing has light weight, कम वेट वाली, कम वजन वाली. So heavy means ज़्यादा वजन and light means less weight, कम वजन. Okay, so we will see. Now here topic is heavy and look here, heavy and then light. Now here are some exercise. It's your textbook page. Okay, and we will solve these exercises. So here first exercise, color the box below the heavy object. Now as I told you, heavy means which thing has weight, more weight. Okay, so now in this picture we can see here is a cylinder and it's a water bottle. Okay, now tell me which thing has more weight between this cylinder and the water bottle, which has more weight. Which has more weight? Yes, cylinder has more weight than the water bottle. Okay, so what we do here, we will color this box. Okay, you should also color it. Then second box, we will see here pomegranate and then feather of peacock. Okay, now in these two object, two pictures or two things, which thing is heavy, which thing has more weight? Very good. Between these two things, in the comparison, we can say that pomegranate has more weight. So pomegranate is heavy than the feather. Okay, so color the box of pomegranate. Okay, you should also color it in your textbook and also draw this in your notebook also. Now second exercise, color the box below the light object. Now look here. Here is ball and balloon. We can see here ball is small and balloon is big. But between these two things, which is heavy? Right, ball is heavy and balloon is light. So which box we color? We should color the box below the balloon. Okay, now look here, balloon is a big but it has less weight, and ball is small but ball has more weight. Okay, means which thing we can see, if this thing is big but sometime it has light weight or less weight. Okay, so ball is heavier than the balloon and balloon is light light than the ball. Okay, I hope you understood this lesson. So today we have seen the meaning of heavy and light. Heavy means the specific thing has a more weight, and light means the specific thing has a less weight than the other. Okay, so your homework is solve exercises of textbook page number 69. So you should solve these in your textbook and also notebook. Okay, draw some pictures as you like, and then draw pictures and color the box of heavy, and then next exercise for light. Okay, as a textbook page. So thank you, bye.